That's what we call the heavy snow of May. How you guys doing? Eric here. Today is Monday, May 20th, 2019. Stretch them muscles, dingo. And we're watching another storm develop here. So you see, I woke up this morning to shitty looking skies, a light dusting of snow, and we're looking at this storm develop here on the TV. So you can see right here over Kansas and Oklahoma and Texas, some severe weather. It's a huge storm, and it's supposed to develop into like another land hurricane, just like the storm we had in March, the storm we had in April. Now we're having one in May. So we'll keep an eye on it and see what happens here as this thing wraps up and becomes like a hurricane. Oh yes, I got a nice roaring fire going here, and fan going there to circulate the warmth throughout the house. It's nice and toasty in here on Dingo. But yeah, the good news is I don't have to go driving out in it because I'm on vacation because I quit working for that fucking turd. Couple weather stories this morning. Tornado outbreak aims for Texas, Oklahoma. 2019 flood, the longest lasting since the Great Flood of 1927. Yes, it's fucked up, truly fucked up. Purposely flooding out the Midwest. Look at that shit. The soggy facts of it all. Looking a little more at this radar here, I just noticed something interesting. Snowing down here in the deserts of California. That's interesting. Right in the fucking Mojave Desert, it looks like. Snowing towards the end of May. Oh my God. I remember when I lived in California getting over 100-degree weather in April. And here we are getting snow in May. This is fucking bullshit weather. Looking at this severe weather over Oklahoma and Texas. Looks like that red dot right there. I predict a tornado right there where that red dot is. I think that's a tornado. And another tornado right there. That red dot is a tornado. So looks like we got at least 2 tornadoes going on. Looks like it's going to be tornadoes all fucking day in the next couple days for this whole area right here. They're already getting tornadoes. You can see what's going on here, and all this cold air is coming down where we got the snow where I'm at here. And the warm air, you see that pulling up from the Gulf of Mexico. It was perfectly mixing it right there over the panhandles. So yeah, they're gonna get some fucking devastating weather there today. That's some ugly, heavy, wet spring snow. It's been like this all fucking day. About 2 o'clock in the afternoon now. Dang it, look at all this snow, man. And here, my little snow gauge table, it's like well over 6 inches, a good 7 inches of snow this morning, and this kind of really sucks, man. I'm trying to clean up my yard. I got a dumpster for 3 more days, and then we get like 8 inches of snow. On May 21st. Yep, May 21st. It's a winter wonderland up here. Right, Dingo? It's like I like running around in it. Go on, go run around in it. Go on. No, I don't think so. And here we see the storm the next morning. And yeah, it hasn't really moved too much. So got all this severe weather out here. Moved a little bit to the east. But look at all this snow back here in Colorado, Wyoming, all the way back Nevada, California getting snow. So who knows how much longer this is gonna last. This fucking sucks, man. Hoping for some nice weather for my vacation. Looking at the animation here. It's just kind of stuck here in the middle of the country. Looks like it's gonna snow here all day long. Hopefully we'll get out of it by the weekend. Dingo. You don't want to go for a hike in the snow, it's just too hard. We'll get all soaking wet. Been there, dump that. That's a clever name, I love that. Laughed my ass off when I heard that, but this sucks, man. I still got quite a bit of room left in this dumpster, and all this fucking snow is filling it up. Guess when I get a little later on, when hopefully it'll quit, and I'll shovel out as much of that as I can, let the rest of it melt. So I got till Saturday to fill it up. And today's Tuesday. Look at that. The clouds have cleared away. We actually have some really nice, beautiful blue sky. It's really rare to see. It's really bright out here. And the snow that we got is quickly turning back into water. What's up, guys? It's the next morning out here, May 22nd, and looks like the storm is finally moving out of here. All the snow melted away. Most of it is melting quickly. But I looked out this morning, I saw this object. Actually, I noticed it out here like yesterday evening. I'm like, what the fuck is this object? How did that get in my yard? It's a fucking balloon. It must have floated. Who knows where it floated here from. And it just happened to land right here in my driveway. That's kind of cool. I was like, what the fuck is that thing out there? I thought maybe, you know, somebody threw something in here or whatever. Like, no. I think it was a balloon that just fell out of the sky, and who knows where the fuck it came from. That's pretty cool. What's up, Dingo? Dingo's all pissed off because we haven't gone for a hike in a couple days. Because it's just we've been under this fucking storm since Monday. It's Wednesday. Hopefully we'll get to go for a hike today. Dingo says. Take one last look at the storm here. Holy shit, look at that thing. It's all wound up over Minnesota and the Dakotas. All rain, severe weather up into Canada, and then back here into Wyoming still getting snow, and then from Wyoming and Colorado all the way to the west coast, rain snow mix, and more. California's getting fucking pounded, man. It's just insane. They're flooding California and the Midwest. More severe weather right here. That's the Mississippi River. Guess so, yep. Anyways, yeah. Fucking incredible. Another fucking incredible storm this spring. And let's just play the animation one time real quick before I edit and upload this video. Wow, that's just amazing looking, man. So swirled up like that, man. It's like a hurricane. Not as severe as a hurricane, but man, look at that. It's almost going all the way from coast to coast, pretty much. It's just affecting the weather all the way from the East Coast all the way to the fucking Pacific Ocean, from the Atlantic to the Pacific. Fucking amazing fucking, must be a man-engineered fucking storm.